Microwaves are the ultimate test of your patience. You put something in for 2 minutes, and I only mean 2 minutes, and suddenly you have never experienced time slower in your life. You stare at that little window like it's a spaceship launch. The plate is spinning, the light is on, and nothing is happening. You check your phone, 8 seconds have passed. I don't how. And the timer is a very dramatic thing. 1:57, 1:56, 1:55. Like, brother, relax. And when it hits 0, actually scratch that. When it hits 1, you're hovering over the stop button because nobody lets that shit hit 0. You know that beep will come, and it's aggressive. Like it has just accomplished something historic. Motherfucker, you just heated up my leftovers. Calm down. And if you forget to open it immediately, it keeps beeping. Not once, not twice, but repeatedly. It's almost like the infinity symbol was made specifically for the beeping. It's so damn needy. And the worst part, the food is never evenly heated. The outside is lava hot, but the inside is fucking Antarctica. So now, you're negotiating with a plate of pasta like it's betrayed you. The microwave is supposed to save time, but somehow, those 2 minutes feel longer than your entire childhood summer break. So next time, and I mean this, next time you're staring at a spinning food, just remember this: you're not impatient, you're just too aware of the damn countdown, and the microwave knows it. Sleep well, everybody. Have a fantastic day.